currently bought the Sony WF. These are the TWS model, which were launched for 20,000 a few months ago, but they are selling for 15,000 now. So I got them. And these are the Sony WF 1000 XM3. They are the smaller variant. And there is the 1000 MW3 or something like that. They are the over-ear headphones, which are like the big ones. But I needed a small pair of headphones and I'm looking for them. They are right now. Oh, yeah. So I bought these headphones at the sale for workout and just noise. These are basically really good noise cancellation headphones, and they come with a case and they look sick. So this is the headphone, and you gotta focus, baby. So this is the headphone. So I made an unboxing video of them and I've used them quite a bit, and I liked the sound signature. Now I have adapted the sound signature and the EQ app of Sony. So let's just move over to the unboxing. The voiceover, guys, and I had to do the voiceover because when the package arrived I was in hurry and I just recorded it with the camera. So when I recorded it with the camera, it was just the camera. So I'm gonna be guiding you through the packages and stuff. So inside the package, this is the box. This is the box for the headphones, and here's the bill, which I should probably be blurring out right now. And I zoomed out the lens, and let's look at the box now. So these are the WF 1000 XM3's noise cancellation headphones, and let's unbox them. So peeling off this package, and yeah. So peeling off this package, and the box looks like that from front, and it comes out from the left. So let's take it out, and there we have start pairing. These are basically the instructions, and that is the charging case and both the headphones. So it's surprising to see that the headphones don't come in the charging case, they come in a separate compartment. And these are the headphones. These are looking pretty sick. They're not really small in size, but they're looking pretty fine. Like just your average size. They're not too huge either, but they're like just a medium size. So now let's look at the content in the box, the rest of the contents. And there are the ear tips. That's about it on the top of the box, and these are the ear tips. So let me just take it off and pull out the ear tips for you guys. So these are the ear tips. They are foam ear tips and silica ear tips. I guess there are two types of ear tips, and they are very comfortable. You can wear these headphones for hours, and this is the 360 reality audio trial. This is not really worth it. I have tried it, but yeah, at least you get it in the box. And this is the USB Type-C charging cable. I mean, they don't give you a charger, but any headphones don't come with a charger. So this is USB Type-C, which is a really good thing, and micro USB is kind of an old standard right now. And I'm going to be showing you the Sony app. So basically this is the Sony application, and you need to connect to the headphones are right here. So it even tells you the battery of the left and right earbud, and also the battery for the case. They are powered through AAC, which is better supported on the iPhone. There is this option of adaptive sound control. It will detect your actions. Detecting my actions right now, and I'm saying that means I'm setting, so it will adjust the noise cancellation level according to that. I have turned on the adaptive sound control right now, which is a setting in which the headphones will automatically detect that whether you are sitting, running, or you're staying, or you're walking. Like whatever you're doing, the headphones will automatically detect it, and according to that it will set a level of noise cancellation, or maybe it will be ambient sound. In case if you're running, the ambient sound will be really high, so you could hear the vehicles go by. Let me show you this. So it basically detects your actions from your movements, that whether you're running or sitting or on a bus or something. Noise cancellation bar. So basically this noise cancellation thing is now they're noise cancelling. which is on the maximum. This is the maximum rating in which you can noise cancel. If you move it over to the right side, you will hear your noise. So I moved it over to 20. This is ambient sound, so the headphones will bring sound from outside and into your ears, which is like when you're running, this is very helpful. You can still wear the headphones and listen to music. You can listen to music, the cars which are going by, you can listen to them, so it is very secure for you. Ambient sound 5 or 10, which is the normal setting if you're just wearing a normal headphone. You can even click this feature. This is focus on voice, so if you have this turned on and if anybody is speaking to you, it will focus on voice. It will only block out the wind noise reduction, and then there will be a setting of literally noise cancelling. This setting, it totally noise cancels everything. The next setting is the equalizer. You can, according to your settings, you can change lows, the mids, the highs, and you can even have the clear bass, which is a Sony only feature. So you can have this feature and you can turn up the bass up to 10 levels, and I have turned up the bass because the stock setting, the bass is adequate, but I like more bass, so you can even turn on the bass. You have two modes, which is sound priority and priority on stable connection. So if you're going far from your device, you can have priority on stable connection. DSEEHX is basically, you can turn this feature on. This is basically if you have some low quality file, it will upscale it or it will remove all the noises from that file. It is a really helpful feature. This is for the touch sensor. Like there is a touch sensor on each ear and you can figure out what functions does it control. You have playback option, volume control, Google Assistant, Alexa. For the right ear, the controls are different. So I'm wearing the headphones currently, listening to music and working. So these headphones don't look too big on your ear, but they do stick out. Like the Galaxy Buds don't stick out from your ear. Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro are really bad. They really stick out. So it's better than them and it's a little worse than the Galaxy Bud. And also one thing to keep in mind, that do not wear a cap if these headphones are in your ear. The call quality will be really bad. Normally the call quality is very good, but if you wear a cap on these headphones, then the microphones are covered from both the sides and the call quality becomes really like muffled. That is with any headphones, not with these. This is a basic universal tip. Okay, so now talking about the case at the end. The case is magnetic, so when you place the headphones in the case, they will not fall out, and the case is pretty sturdy. It is built very well. The lid is premium. It is not very tight or very loose. It is in the right spot. This battery case offers you up to 18 hours with noise cancellation, and the headphones offer you 6 hours of battery life, so that is 24 hours with noise cancellation turned on, which is really good. Both of these headphones have a LED which blinks in blue when it's gonna connect to any smartphone, when it's basically in pairing mode, and it also blinks red when it is in the case. In the charging case, there is also a LED at the front that you will know that whether it is pairing or it is charging or what, or the battery is low. And the good thing is the LED color is kind of orangish red, which is a really premium color according to the color case, which is copper. This really suits headphones in the black color. I don't think how it would be working out for the white variant of these headphones, but in the black variant which I have, red LED looks really good. So that was it for the video, guys, and if anybody is watching till this end part of the video, really thanks to you and thanks to your support, and make sure you like, and if you have any feedback for me or for the next video, make sure you comment on this video, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.